Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I show you methods to earn some CDL tokens for free, and like you know I show you this method a couple times on my channel. Company CoinDeal, who is owner CoinDeal Market, they have every month some competition to vote and earn money on this voting.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
So I go to this vote page, and like you see, we have 12 votes to earn some CDL tokens for free. And how it's working. Very simple. In pool, we have 16,000 CDL tokens, equal approximately 1,800 USD dollars. And every day or every 24 hours, like you see here, you came on this page, make votes. I voted once a couple minutes ago, left 20 votes, and you can vote here on one of this cryptocurrency. And after this voting, after 12 days, this will be finished voting. This will be calculated, and you get your CDL tokens. Depends how many votes you make, and depends how many user of this CoinDeal market join to this competition. So if there will be a lot of people, your part of this pool will be small. But if nobody will be vote, this pool will be bigger. Like you see on my wallet on this CoinDeal token, I have a couple transactions that I get, and this is my first voting, and I get 88 CDL tokens. And this is my second voting. I join on the end of this competition, so I get only 8 CDL tokens. So it's worth it. It depends from you. This CDL token is not a big value at the moment, but who know how will be future. So if you get 3 CDL tokens and you wait 5 years, and this token will be more valuable. Who know? It's only my speculation, but it's always free free money in virtual cryptocurrency. So if you want to join to this program, create your account on this CoinDeal market. If you doesn't have yet account, I put link in description. If you have account, log in and start voting.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.